Well, today I was probably cranked on it 75 to 100 times or something trying to get it to start. And I did the throttle wide open, of course mag off, and pulled it through backwards several times, and tried it, and it would start and then go backwards, and that's an indication that you usually flooded. Well, I did that procedure probably 5 times, and then I called Scott Kassler, and he said the only thing he could think of is that I was doing it right. And he said, but it does sound like it was flooded. And he said, check and see if the impulse coupler is still kicking at about 11 degrees, and it seemed like it was doing that. So I tried it again, fired right up. I don't know. But anyway, got some guys, well, Mike, I'll say, from Iowa is supposed to come down next Tuesday to look at the H5, or look at the Ultra Cruiser and the H5, I presume. And I guess they're wanting to build 1 or 2 of them. So hoping that I can be a good salesman for Hummel, and that they will get busy and build one of these great little ultralight all aluminum airplanes. So anyways, the stock's standing out, but after all that propping, I got to do some flying anyway. My arm's all wore out. So anyway, get all Spike all loaded up here, and we'll go do some aviating. So hope you all have a good day, and there you go, and God bless.